Enjoy the enhanced and seamless Wi-Fi coverage from anywhere in your home with JioExtender. JioExtender extends your existing network of JioFiber, eliminating the dead zones throughout your home. JioExtender's simple and fast installation steps enables you to enjoy a seamless home Wi-Fi in just a few minutes. All it requires is a power adapter that comes inside the JioExtender box and a separate LAN cable to install JioExtender. Before the installation, let's get to know your JioExtender. This is your JioExtender. You can see that there are 4 LEDs such as Power, LAN, Wi-Fi, WPS at the front and the WPS button at the top. You can also see the LAN, DC in ports at the sides and a reset button which can be seen at the bottom of the device. So, now that you have got a good view of your JioExtender device, let's go straight to the installation process. Here are the simple and quick steps of installation of JioExtender. Step 1. Check mesh support in JioFiber HomeGateway. Step 2. Pair the mesh units. Step 3. Place the paired units. Step 1. First, we check if mesh support is enabled in your JioFiber HomeGateway. You can use HomeGateway's web UI to turn on the mesh support. And also, you can use Jio Home mobile application's My Network feature to turn on the mesh support. You can turn on the mesh support using the My Network feature of Jio Home mobile application. Scan QR code or search on Google Play or iOS App Store to download the Jio Home app. Please use Add JioExtender menu option of My Network to prepare your JioFiber Home Gateway. Remove your JioExtender from gift box and keep it ready for the installation. Click Let's Start only if you have a JioExtender. Jio Home would verify your JioExtender. Please scan JioExtender's QR code present in JioExtender device label. Device label is present at the back of the JioExtender device. Once verified, Jio Home will prepare JioFiber Home Gateway for the mesh support. Home Gateway will reboot in the process. Please connect to Wi-Fi and revisit My Network again. After Home Gateway is fully rebooted and ready, it is configured to support JioExtender. Step 2. Now we will pair the JioExtender device with the JioFiber router. For that, we will connect the first JioExtender unit to your JioFiber router via the LAN cable. Next, power on the JioExtender unit and wait for the power LED and Wi-Fi to turn solid green. The pairing procedure takes up to 3 minutes. The unit is now paired and ready to use. You can follow the same procedure for additional JioExtender as well. Place the paired JioExtender in your house to extend the coverage. Once paired, you can disconnect the cable from the LAN port and place the first unit at your desired location to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Please note that as the Wi-Fi signal gets disrupted by obstacles such as doors and walls, place your JioExtender at an area where there is a direct visibility of your JioFiber router and has no obstacles in between. The Wi-Fi gets absorbed by the building material present on the floor and ceilings. So, it is highly recommended to use a LAN cable to connect the JioExtenders across the floors. Next, power on the JioExtender at this new place and wait for the Wi-Fi LED to be green. Voila! You can now see the Wi-Fi LED is solid green. That means the link between your JioFiber router and the JioExtender is really good. Please remember, if in case the Wi-Fi LED turns solid amber instead of turning into solid green, that means the JioExtender is placed too close to the JioFiber router. This will not extend the Wi-Fi coverage to its optimum in your house. In these circumstances, please place your JioExtender farther away from your JioFiber router. Similarly, connect all your additional JioExtender units to your JioFiber router using these quick and simple steps. Place all your JioExtender units in the house to eliminate dead zones and enjoy a seamless streaming experience from anywhere in your home. Managing JioExtender is easy. You can manage all your JioExtender units with your existing JioFiber router without the need of an additional device management interface. You can also use Jio Home app to install and manage your JioExtender units in just a few clicks. With seamless Wi-Fi signals across every nook and cranny of your house, JioExtender gives you the unmatched internet experience from anywhere in your home.